What's up everyone? Today I am setting up the 3-story furmination cage for my Marmoset monkey, Maya. Let's turn this empty cage into her dream home. The first thing I am adding is a soft blanket on the bottom level. It's there for extra cushioning, so if Maya ever slips or falls, she'll have a softer landing. Next, I am adding a cozy little puppy bed to give her a comfortable place to relax if needed. Now I am placing a real tree branch that I cut myself. I know I did a good job. I did that. Marmoset loves climbing, and natural branches help make the cage feel more like their environment home. I'm also adding this long perch with a basket attached to give her another place to climb, play, hide, and swing. Another perch stretches from one side of the cage to another, giving even more room to climb and explore. And here is how the cage is looking so far. It's really coming together. Now it's time to add one of her favorite things, a soft hammock for relaxing and napping. Ta-da! I also had this cozy hideout cube where she can curl up and sleep whenever she wants a little privacy. I know, I'm short, so I need to use a step stool. Well, a step ladder, not a step stool. I can't even hardly reach. It's so uncomfortable to put this one on because the door opens on the left side, not the right, like the rest of the cage. To finish everything off, I am now adding a heart-shaped mirror. She loves looking in the mirror, and everyone that owns a Marmoset monkey will tell you that. They love mirrors. I also have this toy. I have a few toys for enrichment. Sometimes she lays on the hammock and just plays with it, so I'm going to hang it right next to the hammock. Again, I'm short, so I have to climb up. Now it's time to add her food bowl and her fresh water bottle. So I thought about placing it here on the door, but I'm eyeing everything out. So when I close the door, it's too close to the bucket, the basket that's hanging. So I was like, all right, let me move it to this spot where she has a lot of room to stand up on it and eat. now she has everything she needs. Here is the final setup. I wanted to create a fun, enriching, and comfortable home where Maya can climb, play, and rest. I think I did just that. Now for the moment of truth. Let's see what Maya thinks of her new home. She's looking around. I think it's safe to say she approves. She's all over the place. She's exploring everything. There's the mirror. She loves that mirror. She sounds so happy, and that's exactly what I was hoping for. I definitely called this setup a success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to FebusTV, and I'll see you next time.